Good day, everyone. Today we're going to talk about something incredibly important and deeply personal, rebuilding yourself. Life is full of challenges and sometimes we find ourselves broken or lost, but every setback is an opportunity for a comeback. Let's explore how we can reconstruct our lives and emerge stronger than ever. The first step in rebuilding yourself is acknowledging the need for change. This could stem from various experiences. A failed relationship, loss of a job, or personal crises. It's important to recognize that feeling broken or stuck doesn't make you weak, it makes you human. Accepting that you need a change is not a sign of defeat, but a powerful act of courage. The self-awareness is the cornerstone of any transformation. Once you've acknowledged the need for change, it's time to reflect on your life and set clear, achievable goals. Ask yourself questions like, what do I want to change and what kind of person do I want to become? Write down your thoughts and aspirations. This process not only clarifies your vision, but also provides a roadmap for your journey. Remember, your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. With your goals in mind, develop a plan to achieve them. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps. For example, if you aim to improve your physical health, start with a daily walk or a simple exercise routine. Gradually increase the intensity as you build stamina. Similarly, if your goal is career-oriented, identify the skills you need to acquire and create a schedule for learning. Consistency is key. A well-structured plan keeps you focused and motivated. No one rebuilds themselves alone. Surround yourself with supportive people who uplift and encourage you. This could be friends, family, mentors, or support groups. Share your journey with them and don't hesitate to seek help when needed. Additionally, consider professional help like therapy or coaching if you feel stuck. A strong support system not only provides encouragement, but also holds you accountable to your goals. Change is often uncomfortable and slow, but it's essential for growth. Embrace it with an open mind and be patient with yourself. There will be setbacks and obstacles, but these are just stepping stones on your journey. Celebrate small victories along the way and learn from your mistakes. Remember, rebuilding yourself is a marathon, not a sprint. Rebuilding yourself is a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. It requires courage, effort, and resilience. But the reward is a stronger, wiser, and more authentic you. As you leave here today, I encourage you to take the first step towards your transformation. Believe in your ability to change and grow. Embrace the journey with hope and determination. Thank you for being here, and I wish you all the best on your path to rebuilding yourself. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out. Let's rebuild ourselves and support each other in this incredible journey of life. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel and like the video for more videos.